Hello, everybody, and welcome to the magical world of Google Earth. This is just a quick video in advance of our time together on Friday to orient you to the program. If you don't have time to go through this, even though it'll only be a couple minutes, that's okay, but I like to put out a video to classes in order to streamline the actual in-class time. So as you can see here, I've just opened up Google Earth, and as a note, I'm doing this on a PC, so there's going to be a couple differences for those of you who are working on Macs, but nothing insurmountable. And so, as you can see, if you haven't been in here before, you can just cruise around the Earth manually, or you can zoom into places like you would online in Google Maps or, God forbid, Bing Maps. And what we're going to focus on today, though, is the unique capabilities of this program, which involve historical imagery and drawing and making measurements. So first things first, what I like everyone to do is to go to Tools, Options, and make sure that your navigation is set to do not automatically tilt while zooming. This is just kind of annoying for what we'll be doing. We want to retain a consistent top-down view on the world. So get out of there. And the other thing is I just like to turn off this primary database because I really only want to see the imagery. So one thing we'll be looking at is historical imagery. And so you can hover your mouse over any of these tools and it will give you a tip. And this is pretty fun because this will give you all imagery available for whatever your current view is, all the way back to whatever's available. So in DC, you can see that there's little bits of imagery from 1949, aerial imagery. And then once you get up to 1984, at this zoom level, you've got yearly imagery from the Landsat satellite. So this is what we'll be using to kind of assess some change on Friday. So that's just something to play around with. And the other thing to familiarize yourself with is this idea of adding polygons, because we will be doing this. So if you click on that, and I'm just going to call this DC polygon, you can name it and move that off to the side, and then you can still zoom around. And I'm just going to draw, for now, the urbanized extent of this little piece of DC as I see it. So I'm just clicking and holding there, getting a rough outline, and then going back to my properties. I find it useful to change the style and color so that the line color is red and stands out nicely, and this shape is only outlined. And the other thing you can do in this box when you're making these shapes is you can actually look at measurements. So this will be crucial to looking at our urban growth in our city of choice on Friday. So we might change this to square kilometers, and then we might record that for our urban growth modeling. So this is just a brief preview of what we'll be doing, so see if you can get a little bit of that to work, and I will see you on Friday. Thank you.